Hey, it's Coach Kozak here to bring you yet another amazing workout. This one is going to be a workout for your love handles and obliques. Nobody likes that little extra pudge that hangs over the side of their pants, so I'm going to show you a couple of exercises real quick to tighten it up. And make sure when you're done watching the video, you click on the link in the video description. It'll shoot you over to HASfit.com and it'll tell you exactly how many of each of these you're supposed to do. Very first one we're going to do is going to be a lying knee twist. So lying flat on your back. I'd like you to put your hands out to your side, bring your knees up, knees at a 90-degree angle, and rotating at your obliques. We're going side to side. Now, if you don't have real good flexibility, you may only be able to come this far, side to side. And that's okay at first, but try your best to get full range of motion all the way. And just touch your knee to the ground and back up. Don't fling it over side to side and be lazy about it. Nice and controlled, side to side lying knee twist. And from the side, just like so. Okay, great. Next one we're going to do, also from the ground, is going to be a reach and catch. So we're going to do a crunch, but we're going to go side to side with it, and you're going to reach and act like you're catching as you go. So reach and catch, side to side, feet planted firmly on the ground. You're bringing your shoulder blades up off the ground, and we're going reach and catch, side to side. All right, one last one from the standing position. I really like this one, it's a little unique. We're going to do a standing side crunch. So we're going to do a crunch while we're standing up. Put your weight in your hips, knees bent, butt back. Now, hands on your head, and now we're going to do the side crunch. Bringing your elbow to, trying to bring it to your hip bone. We're not going to get all the way there, but side to side, twist. You'll feel a nice pull here and a nice contraction here. Really targeting those obliques and those love handles. All right, great. That's our 3 exercises to get rid of those love handles. I'm Coach Kozak. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, like us and you'll get these great workouts sent to you every day. Have a great day.